I love drawing in the morning hours. I just use a regular fine line Sharpie on inexpensive paper. This is drawing just for fun. I'm just doing it purely for the fun of it. I don't start out with any kind of idea of what I want to draw. I like to start with a shape. There's certain shapes that I like to draw that I keep coming back to. And sometimes they're symmetrical and sometimes they're just, organic shapes. I'll draw a shape and then I'll think to myself, well, what can I do with this shape? Like, what'll happen if I do this? Or if I stacked this shape on top of it, what would happen? And, the character of the shape will suggest something to me, like what I might make it into. I guess you could call it freeform drawing. I like to call it ideation drawing. Just allowing for the ideas to come as they may. It's just a relaxed, natural creative flow. It's a great way to draw. I'm careful not to overthink it because it's all just play. I mean, I'm definitely not hung up on getting anything perfect because I know that mistakes are going to happen. I like to work kind of fast, using that momentum to bring it to a finish. Drawing with a pen forces you to focus on the shape and the form, the contour line. It helps you to build confidence in your shape drawing ability. It gets you thinking about where things are in the space. After practicing it for a while, you get better at placing things on the page. It's funny, but as I'm drawing it, I don't see the drawing as anything special. But when I pull it out like a week or two later, I'm like, wow, when did I draw that? Even when I think I've cracked the code for how to draw, I find that there's always another way to do something. And not to get too attached to this being the only way to do it. And when you're enjoying it, it energizes you. It's fun. And you'll want to do it again and again. And eventually you'll find those shapes that you like to draw. I heard this quote recently that really resonated with me. Maybe the point of drawing isn't just to get better at drawing. Maybe it's just to enjoy the act of drawing. And the getting better part is just the byproduct of enjoying it. That gives me a lot of motivation to do it again. Subscribe if you like this. It's a no-cost way of supporting the channel. Thanks.